Cassandra Leong, born May 23, 2000, also nicknamed Cassie Lee, is a Filipino businesswoman who is an associate of Lucky South 99 Outsourcing, Inc., a defunct Philippine offshore gaming operator POGO in Porac, Pampanga, that has been investigated by authorities for criminal activities committed within its compound. She acted as the authorized representative of the company when acquiring its operating license from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR, in 2019. On August 20, 2024, she was apprehended by authorities in Batam, Rio Islands, Indonesia, and was thereafter brought back to the Philippines. Cassandra Leong, as per records, was born on May 23, 2000, in San Juan, Metro Manila, to Chinese parents Richard Ong Chow and Yingxia Lee. Richard Ong Chow sought Filipino citizenship via naturalization in 1978. According to Cassandra, she was delivered by a hilot, after which she was brought to the Chinese General Hospital in Manila. Irregularities were found about the listed address in her birth certificate, particularly the house number, which Senator and former San Juan Mayor Jinggoy Estrada insists to be non-existent. During a July 2020 hearing by the House Committee on Public Order and Safety, Under Secretary Gilbert Cruz of the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, PAOCC, informed the committee that Ong was not a true Filipino citizen based on the evidence they gathered, with her parents availing a late registration of birth for her in 2001. However, PAOCC spokesperson Winston Casio corrected the conclusion a month later and stated that her Filipino citizenship is authentic. Her actual date of birth is unclear, with PAOCC determining it to be around the late 1980s to early 1990s. Ong's educational background is also disputed. During the House Quad Committee hearing on September 19, 2024, she claims to have studied at Manila Patriotic School in Santa Cruz, Manila, but did not finish her elementary education. She also denied attending high school in China or elsewhere, despite being shown a photo of herself in a graduation toga, which she attributed to her participation in the Department of Education's Alternative Learning System, ALS. Ong insisted that she only attended a few sessions of ALS and expressed uncertainty about her registration. Ong previously owned a milk tea shop in San Juan, Metro Manila, before moving to Pampanga around 2019 or 2020. There, she opened a pet-friendly aesthetic center and is rumored to own a cafe, restaurant, and resort in Angeles City. Activities with Lucky South 99. Ong is an incorporator of the real estate firm Whirlwind Corp., of which she owned 58% of its shares. The firm leased a 10-hectare or 25-acre land within the Grand Palazzo Royal in Porac, Pampanga to the POGO company Lucky South 99 Outsourcing, Inc., formerly called Xinsheng, IT startup. Ong sent a letter of no objection note to the Municipal Hall of Porac to permit the operation of Lucky South 99, which was approved in November 2019. A license to operate was granted to Lucky South 99 by POGO in 2020, which was valid until October 2023. Whirlwind hired former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque as a lawyer, with Roque accompanying Ong in visiting PAGCOR on July 26, 2023, to assist in settling Lucky South 99's arrears to PAGCOR. He also acted on the sole behalf of Ong in his multiple calls to a PAGCOR executive to inquire about the remaining necessary documents to be filed for Lucky South 99. According to Roque, Ong became Whirlwind's corporate secretary in September 2023, and in the same month had him accompany her in reapplying Lucky South 99 for an internet gaming license IGEL from PAGCOR. By May 22, 2024, PAGCOR sent a letter to Ong denying the IGL application due to alleged illegal activities that occurred in the establishment in 2022. In early June 2024, police authorities from various organizations arrived at Lucky South 99 to rescue the remaining victims within the compound despite a limited search warrant. Ong is listed as the owner of a lavish mansion in a 2.2-hectare or 5.4-acre compound in Porac, which was raided by police on July 6, 2024. On August 1, 2024, PAGCOR chairman Alejandro Tenco revealed that Ong had fled to Singapore, according to information received by police authorities. On August 9, 2024, 3 people separately filed charges against 13 officers of Lucky South 99, including Ong, for identity theft and falsification of documents due to the inclusion of the petitioners' names in corporate documents without their knowledge. On August 16th, for committees of the House of Representatives or dangerous drugs, public order and safety, human rights, and public accounts, together issued a contempt order against Ong for failing to attend their legislative inquiries. She was cited in contempt once again by the committee on September 20th for lying and ordered detained at the Correctional Institute for Women in Mandaluyong for 30 days beginning on September 26th. On August 20th, Ong was captured alongside Shyla Guo at Mega Mall Batam Center in Batam, Indonesia by local authorities and subsequently placed in the custody of the Directorate General of Immigration. 2 days later, they were brought back to the Philippines to be placed in the custody of the National Bureau of Investigation (NBI). On August 30th, the Anti-Money Laundering Council, Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, and the National Bureau of Investigation filed a money laundering case against Ong, Alice Guo, and 32 others before the Department of Justice (DOJ). On September 10th, Ong and 51 others were charged with qualified human trafficking at the DOJ for their alleged involvement in the Lucky South 99 POGO operations. On October 29th, Harry Roque was included as co-respondent by the PAOCC and the PNPCIDG in the Non-Bailable Qualified Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2003 case. Ong's boyfriend is Wesley Guo, brother of Alice Guo, a former mayor of Bamban, Tarlac, who was dismissed from the position by the Ombudsman for grave misconduct over another case involving POGOs. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.